everyone, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse, and we've got today's top 5 plants. Today we are actually going to show you 5 different hanging baskets that we have growing here. So this first one is a Trailing begonia. They're called Illumination begonias, and they are in mixed colors. They've just started to bloom and they're gorgeous. So these will actually grow and trail, and by fall time they can be up to 2 feet long. They bloom continually. They do need shade, so they would do great on the east side or on the north side. And this pot is $40 this year. Who's up next? Anwin.
Hey. This is a coral shade mix. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. It can go in full sun or full shade. That is all I have to say. Look, I would pay for this, so you should too.
Hi, it's Liv from Deb's Greenhouse. This is our curb appeal. This is neon, like absolutely bright. It waves out and it gets really huge and it really likes the sun. Okay, Belle. Belle has, what does Belle have? The purple hummingbird. This is part of our hummingbird series. It's dark, it's pretty. I don't know what else to say about it.
It can go in full sun.
Okay.
This one can go in full sun.
And then Lila girl. What does Lila girl have? Berries and cream. This one is pretty new. We had some last year, but this year's the first year we have a lot of them. And yeah. Is this sun or shade?
That can go in part to full sun.
Awesome.
Yep.
You done?
Yeah, thanks guys. That was a short and sweet but good.